Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. Today we're going to go over how to connect your AirPods to your HP Omen computer. First thing, take your AirPods case and look for that button on the back of your case. Second thing we're going to look for is your light indicator. It will either be inside the case or in the front of the case. Either spot is fine, we just need to know where it is so we can see when it's ready to pair. You're going to hold down that button in the back of your case for about 10 to 30 seconds until that indicator light starts to blink like so. Now you know you're ready to pair. Now on your Windows 11 computer, you're going to navigate to that start bar. You're going to go to your settings wheel. And this is all while your case is open with that light flashing. Next, you're going to go to Bluetooth and devices. And then we're going to select the add device option. All this whole time your case is open with that light blinking. Then I'm going to click on Bluetooth and it will immediately start looking for available devices for pairing. As you can see, my AirPods showed right up, but I'm going to go ahead and click on them and they won't immediately connect. And when this happens, oftentimes you need to disconnect it from, say, your phone or iPad. Or if it doesn't show up at all, that can be another indicator that you need to turn the Bluetooth off on your phone. If I go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off my phone, as you see, it connects no problem. Now, another quick troubleshooting thing is if you find that your AirPods are not giving you any audio. As you can see, I navigated to the right speaker button. I clicked on it. And then if I click on the right arrow, then sometimes you do need to manually select your AirPods if they're not already selected. So if you do have any trouble after connecting, that would be the thing to do next. But anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, use the super thanks button, visit our Amazon store, or check out our merchandise. From one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.